Hey, it's me, Lady B, and we're back with another sew tutorial. We're doing a wrap top with ruffle sleeve, Kiddie edition. So here we have our pattern, and we have our chalk to trace our pattern pieces onto our folded yard of fabric. After that, we're going to cut our pieces out, simple shapes. Then we have to iron down all of our strap pieces, which we'll have about 4. 2 ties in the back, ties at the top. Let's get to sewing. Now after hemming and serging up and hemming up a lot of our pieces, here we have the result of that. Now you see our line. This is where we're going to put in our elastic, right in those elastic channels. Alright, cut this up, put it on our safety pin, stick it in, gather, and sew it down. Now let's check out our results. This is her on the mannequin. This is the look with the sleeves out on the top of the shoulder. Now let's try it on our mini model. I think she loves it. Alright, that's our project. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in our next video. Bye. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and share with all your friends.